Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make French fries. First, choose the right potatoes. Russets are ideal for their high starch content, which gives you that perfect crispy exterior and fluffy interior. Next, cut them into uniform sticks, about 1/4 to 3/8 of an inch thick. Consistency is key for even cooking. Finally, rinse the cut potatoes under cold water until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch, preventing them from sticking together and ensuring maximum crispiness. After rinsing, soak your potato sticks in cold water for at least 30 minutes or even longer in the refrigerator. This further draws out starch and helps achieve that desired crispness. Now it's time for the first fry or blanching. Heat your oil to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry the potatoes in small batches for about 5 to 7 minutes. They should be cooked through and soft, but not yet golden brown. Remove them and drain well. Now for the crucial second fry, which makes them truly irresistible. Increase your oil temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the oil is hot, return the blanched potatoes to the fryer in small batches. Fry them for another 2 to 4 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and wonderfully crispy. As soon as they come out of the oil, drain them quickly and season generously with fine salt. This ensures the salt adheres perfectly. Serve your perfectly cooked French fries immediately while they are still hot and at their crispiest. They are fantastic on their own, but also pair wonderfully with your favorite dipping sauces like ketchup, aioli, or a spicy mayo. Enjoy the fruits of your labor. And hey, while you're making things better, why not make your car smell great too? Check the description for a link to Little Trees Black Ice and other great deals. Thanks for watching and happy frying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.